The bus reservation screen presents customers with their scheduled bus trips. Each entry in the list corresponds to an individual bus reservation, providing essential details of the journey at a glance. Customers can review all their upcoming and past bus bookings on this screen. Reservations show who made the booking, where the bus will pick up and drop off, the departure time, and the status of the trip. The status informs customers whether a trip is still planned or has been called off. Customers can interact with this screen to get more information about each trip by selecting a specific booking, which could reveal further details such as the bus number, the driver's name, or the fare estimate. Customers are able to add new reservations, allowing customers to schedule new trips when needed. For convenience, a pagination feature is in place to navigate through multiple bookings. When a customer selects a specific bus reservation, they are presented with a detailed overview of the booking. The following details and functionalities are provided. Trip information. This include reservation status such as scheduled, canceled, completed, and so on, departure date and time, distance covered during the trip, duration of trip, trip fare, trip mode, and reservations reference, which is a unique identifier for the booking. Route information. This include start station, end station, booking and additional information. This include name of the customer, booking platform or service such as website, mobile app, or any other, trip notes, operator, facilities, and booking date, passenger and vehicle information. This include number of adults, number of baggages, number of children, number of infants, and vehicle type, passengers in reservation. This involves names of the passengers, gender, and age in tabular format. Now we turn our attention towards adding a reservation. When a customer clicks the Add Reservation button, they are taken to a form where they can input all the necessary details for their new bus reservation. Here's a detailed walkthrough of the process. First, there is the routes and trips section. Here the users will have to fill in details such as journey date. Customers will choose the date for their bus reservation. This is usually done via a calendar picker for convenience. Journey time. Here, users specify what time they need to be picked up, using a time selection tool. Trip mode. A drop-down menu allows customers to select the type of trip they are booking, such as one-way, round trip, or hourly hire. Stations. This is where the start and end points of the journey are entered. If there are multiple stops along the route, users can add them by clicking a plus button beside the station field. Trip selector. This allows the user to assign a trip from the given list. Vehicle type and operator. Both of these can be selected from drop-down menus. And finally, we have to set the fare amount. Next is the passengers section. This contains the following fields regarding number of adults, children, infants, and bags which are to be filled. Also, there is an optional passenger information field where the user can add the names of the passengers along with their corresponding ages. Then comes the additional notes section. Here we have notes, a free-form text field for any extra details the customer feels are important to note down. These could be preferences like a desire for a quiet ride. This section also provides us with the option to choose add-on facilities as per the desire of the customer. Finally, we have the booking source section. This contains the following fields. Booked from, a drop-down where the customer selects the platform or method they use to make the reservation, and we have the customer name. Finally, we can hit the Save button to save the reservation or hit Cancel to discard the changes.